In primetime news this evening, a major investigation underway as Sprint legend Usain Bolt and other investors fleeced of millions of dollars at investment firm Stocks and Securities Limited. Thieves make off with LED light at Negril sign. And not backing down.
We will not proceed without our eyes fully open.
The opposition responds to criticisms about its position on the Constitutional Reform Committee.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Jabon Keys.
Thank you so much, Andrea. There's a newcomer in the investment line of business. Qantas Capital was officially launched yesterday. I'll give you the details later on.
And Karen is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Karen.
Well, Giovanni, all eyes are on the massive fraud at SSL. And you may ask, what does that have to do with sports? Well, it does. When one Usain Bolt is impacted. We have more details later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what are your views on the theft of the LED lights at the newly erected $12 million Negril sign?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TelevisionJam1.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.